Hey everyone, Jason from Makera here with an updated Carvera Air tutorial, and in this one we're learning how to swap your tool bit using the Carvera Air Desktop CNC. The Carvera Air has a unique tool change system that allows you to swap your bits without needing any additional tools or wrenches. This makes loading tools or the probe or other accessories easy or quick to do, whether it be before you start a job or for a tool change mid-job too. So let's look at how this system works. You can do this with the dust chute on or off, but I've removed it so it's easier for you to see in this tutorial. First, carefully hold the bit, if one is loaded, around the bit collar. Next, lower the tool change lever all the way to release the bit from the spindle collet. With the bit released, you may remove it from the spindle, and be careful as bits are sharp and they will fall out of the spindle if they are left unsupported. You can then insert your new bit, loading it all the way up to the bit collar used as a stopping point to ensure that it's loaded fully into the spindle. Then you can raise the tool change lever to lock the new bit in place. And as mentioned, you could use this tool change system for loading your bits, loading the wired Z-probe, or even the laser module too, as shown in our other tutorials and guides. You can also replace the spindle collet so you can load bits with shank diameters from 3mm to 6.35mm, or all the way from 1/8 of an inch to 1/4 inch too. And when it's time for a tool change mid-job, the Carvera Air will pause and prompt you to load a new bit. This is done in the controller app and by sounding a beep at the machine and adjusting the LED light bar at the machine to tell you which tool is needed as well. Once you've changed your tool mid-job, you can confirm this change to continue manufacturing either by pressing the button on top of the Carvera Air or by continuing using the digital button shown in the controller app. The Carvera Air will automatically measure the length of the loaded tool using the tool setter at the back of the bed before continuing your job. And it's important to note that the length of each tool needs to be measured at every single tool change. This will be done automatically as shown whenever you're mid-job, as the Carvera Air will prompt you for a new tool and then automatically measure that tool during the tool change process. But if you load a tool manually without being prompted, you can also automatically do this measurement calculation as well. After loading a new tool, launch the Carvera controller app and open the tool menu at the top of the window. You can choose to set this tool to be a new number if you would like to reassign the number assigned to the tool that you've just installed, and then you can press calibrate to automatically start the tool setting process. And while they aren't required, bit collars also make loading tools in the Carvera Air a bit easier to do because you can use them as a stopping point to ensure that you've loaded the tool into the spindle collet at the right length each time. You can install and remove bit collars using the bit collar installation tool included in the toolkit for the Carvera Air, and these bit collars can also be purchased in our store and installed on bits sourced from anywhere that you'd like. Thanks for watching. Of course, please don't forget to subscribe and stay tuned for more tutorials and videos and guides on the official Makera channel.